if it isn't Barry the Platypus! You've arrived precisely on cue! Allow me to explain. Voila! A precise 1/100th scale replica of the tri-state area! You'd be surprised how much free time I have. Now, with all the bricks that I've collected, I'll construct the Great Wall of the tri-state area! Thereby cutting off the citizens from the rest of the world! And how do people get in and out of the city, you ask? With this!
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars.
We do Jupiter, Saturn,
Uranus and Neptune.
Guy!
You set us free when you remodeled the factory. We've been trapped in the basement for years, making foam peanuts and snipping the tabs off of plastic.
We will now lay waste to the surface dwellers!
Okay, then.
You can see from this globe of Venus, which consists of the Magellan imagery draped over the globe, and then the colors are telling you how high the surface is. So the dark blues are low areas, and the brighter colors are high areas. One of my favorites is up here at Ishtar Terra, because there's some kind of highly reflective coating. It wouldn't look white to your eyes if you could actually land on the surface of Venus. It might look shiny, because we actually think it might be some sort of metallic coating, almost like a pyrite or a fool's gold. So something sparkly, which to me is even better than looking at snow.
Shop our new store merch and get custom birthday videos with your favorite characters.
Hi, Granny. I am going to send you a picture of a real rainbow today. Oh, this will certainly make her day. Oh, Granny wrote back. I can't wait to see it. Rainbows always make my day. Told ya.
The planet!
depends on the sun's mass.
This backup of yours is taking forever. I have a travel chest set in my bag over there.
The lightning makes the bow shock away when the thunderstorms we call the auroras. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface and a hexagon because the hearts will be appreciated public. First is Juno, creating the bow shock. New Horizons creates the aurora on Jupiter, and only Cassini imaged the auroras of Jupiter, with its clouds, moons, and rings around the planet.
Without rain, there'd be no rainbows. So we have to make sure we have everything we need to survive on the moon. Okay, let's see here. Air?
You know, our parents fell in love at one of your concerts.
See? Music does change lives.
Well, how'd you like to sing for our parents' wedding anniversary?
Mostly. Wait till you see this. Wait right there.
Please stop.
And now, without further ado, the grand finale!
What, a big firecracker?
Oh no! Perry the Platypus tied to a big firecracker!
Oh, thank goodness you're here. Love on the run at your service, my friend. So, what did you forget today? Anniversary. Ooh, a big one.
We got Danny. Now we're gonna convince Bobby Fabulous. And if we can't, well, Ferb's got a backup plan.
Wait, Bobby Fabulous's mom's hairdresser. Where are you right now?
Walking in the front door of Bobby's salon. Oh.
You doofuses! Mom's gonna see you and wonder what you're up to!
You gotta keep Mom distracted while we talk to Bobby.
Say, Mom, maybe we should get you ready for Bobby
what
with...
are you doing?
You look like you need some conditioner! Candace! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up!
Do you have an appointment?
No. We're here to see Bobby. You know, the bass player from the band Love Handle? So first, I think the sales projections are... Hey people, I thought we agreed we weren't gonna do this. How many times do I have to say it? He's a platypus. They don't do anything.
Curse you, Perry the Platypus! Wait, where are we going? Is that seawater I smell? I hope I'm not on a boat, because I get seasick.
So, shop our new store merch and get custom birthday videos with your favorite characters.
Let me check on something. Yep, he's even got his own evil jingle right on his answering machine. Listen.
Hello?
Oh, hello, Heinz. Dad, why'd you pick up? You always let the machine get it.
Well, I heard it ring the first time, so I was standing right by the phone. Oh, by the way, could you pick up some blueprints for me on your way over? Thank you, sweetie.
Great. Now he wants me to pick up some evil blueprints for his latest evil contraption.
Miranda just looked incredible. The amount of detailed structure, it looked like someone had just maybe like a clay or something sort of squeezed on it and given it all these different shapes and patterns. It seemed like a lot of these flybys often happened in the middle of the night or early morning hours, and that it seemed like that. And Triton was one of those. I think for me, one of the highlights to see those early pictures come back and people pointing at the screen and saying, "What do you think that means? What do you think is going on?" We had 2 TV monitors up, one that was streaming the pictures of Uranus coming back, and the second with the repeats of the explosions of the Challenger. So hard to watch those. Success versus tremendous success with Voyager versus heartbreak of what happened with Challenger.
Shop our new store merch and get custom birthday videos with your favorite characters.
So first, I think the sales projections are... Hey people, I thought we agreed we weren't gonna do this. How many times do I have to say it? He's a platypus. They don't do anything.
This backup of yours is taking forever. I have a travel chess set in my bag over there. Do you play chess? Over there, actually. I tricked you, Perry the Platypus! Oh, do you like my any flat surface magnet belt? It sticks to any flat surface! Guess what? There's no travel chess set in this bag either! There was one of these in both bags, so whichever one you chose, you would be stuck. Just like I'm stuck right now. What time was that backup getting here again? Perry the Platypus, I'm so sorry I hurt you. When I wasn't actually trying to hurt you. If you give me another chance, I promise to hurt you in the right way. With cartoonish physical violence and elaborate traps constructed out of strange things I've purchased over the internet. What do you say?
Well, what do you say, Perry the Platypus?
Shop our new store merch and get custom birthday videos with your favorite characters.
Anyway, today at Town Hall, they will award the key to the city to my goody two-shoes brother, Roger. Oh, how I love him!
I like Uncle Roger.
Thank you, Vanessa, but I don't believe I was talking to you. Is your name Perry the Platypus? No, I don't think so.
I so should have gone to summer school.
But they just made off with Squeaks' cheesecake! Oh yeah, boo! Boo Team Boo! Boo Team Boo! We must recapture the cake! Or Squeaks! Or Squeaks! Tag!
Step aside, Nature Cat. This is a job for Cave Buster!
Cave Buster! I love Cave Buster!
What's not to love? A powerful V8 engine, twin cams, all-terrain wheel drive, tow hitch, rugged winch, 360-degree camera? Are you kidding me?
Of course not! What kind of an evil scientist are you?
Right. Dodger, what if I were to tell you Peter the Panda is backstage right now?
What? Peter the Panda is here? Ooh. Perry the Platypus, I had no idea.
You can see from this globe of Venus, which consists of the Magellan imagery draped over the globe, and then the colors are telling you how high the surface is. So the dark blues are low areas, and the brighter colors are high areas. One of my favorites is up here at Ishtar Terra, because there's some kind of highly reflective coating. It wouldn't look white to your eyes if you could actually land on the surface of Venus. It might look shiny, because we actually think it might be some sort of metallic coating, almost like a pyrite or a fool's gold. So something sparkly, which to me is even better than looking at snow.
Store merch and get custom birthday videos with your favorite characters.
Thanks for watching Bowling for Planets. Please subscribe to our channel and check out more sounds. You can hear the sounds of Pluto and all the 8 planets in our solar system, the Sun, and all of its moons in our solar system, including other dwarf planets and all the candidates.
do not forget to like Mr. Astro Guy. Thank you, Mr. Astro Guy. Let's tell you. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.